Yamaha's best accessory for scooter. Right now this accessory is under the seat. I take it. This is the bag. Okay, scooter bag. Okay, I'm going to show you later. Boom. Now I can travel. It feels good. Extra space here. You see this space here, and now this all empty. It's all empty here. Here also has space. I press this. It's deep, very deep. For example, one bottle can reach half-liter bottle. Δεν έχω τώρα εδώ ένα. This bag, what I like is that when you take this to put it in a Yamaha scooter, you can put it here, okay, and this can be above, more up, but here there is a empty space, so seat can close. Okay, so when you take it, you have all the space. Let's say you have this here, there is still space, like 35% free, still to go. But let's say you have this space occupied and you go to your mom or to your grandmother and she tells you, take this with you, you can do it. You take this, you have all the space to put all the beers that your grandmother is going to give you for you to drink, Kaiser. You close here, it's a joke, huh? You press here, okay? And there is a line here that you can go under the seat, so you don't lose it. And because you're still here, one more tip is for you. If you open the window to sit, you can take the helmet, put it here. I'm going to show you better. Now nobody can take. No bad people can take it. They will respect you. They will think that you are genius and you lock it. Nobody will take it from you. And because you are still here, this noise is because the remote control went far away from the moto before I close it. Let's say you have to lock your jacket, motorcycle jacket. Here I am. Am I hot? Maybe, maybe not. Anyway, this is not our stuff right now, if I'm hot or not. Our subject is, I want to lock this now, okay? So I take this out. Let's say this under seat is full, okay? No space under seat, no problem. You take this up, you put one sleeve inside. This motorcycle sleeve has protection here, okay? You put sleeve, only sleeve inside, only the protection from the hand, and you close it. Boom, boom, nobody can take. It looks like you are whatever, but they cannot take it unless they cut it. And who needs a jacket with one sleeve? It's a very easy way for travelers when they arrive and they want to have a cold coffee relaxing just for a little bit, or go inside the market and they don't want somebody just to grab and go. This needs extra tools for the thief, extra time for the thief to work, and having the tools, the right tools for him to work with. So in general, you protect your stuff. Don't leave it the whole night outside in the streets like this, because I cannot guarantee that, promise you that this will be there. But if you go in the toilet in the gasoline station, or you go in the supermarket, or in one quick cafe nearby, you can enjoy your coffee and nobody will bother your stuff.